na.
Okay na, anak. Okay na.
Okay.
Okay na yan.
First ball.
Uy!
Uy!
Tama. Second one.
Uy!
Uy!
Balik natin.
Oh my God!
Okay. For the first. Tama siya. Second one. And the third one.
Oh my God! Ito po, mami.
Okay.
Pasign na lang dito,
Good
ma'am.
job!
And then signature. Congratulations!
Pangalan ko po.
The coloring. Green order.
Ay, name of trail sa lang.
Okay, dito sa gitna. Dito sa gitna.
Picture ka na mami sa picture.
Picture, dali. Sama ka.
Here, para makita sa social media.
Mamaki na muna to, ma'am.
Go, go, go! Salamat po!
Wait lang po ah. Wait lang mama.
1, 2, 3! Thank you, Papa Jesus!
Ito na yung next layer.
Si ano na, ang next layer na.
Parang may pinapanood sila Tan sa loob. Oh, wait. Sige, sige. Diyan ka sa gitna. Ay, I'm sorry. Go, go. Give me that. Give me that. This one, give me. Okay, go, go. Bubbles yan! Tan, ito hero, ho. Oh! Ay! Ay, ikaw ka, sige, ikaw. Mango, ikaw sapuin mo. Ayun, Tan, hero. Tan, here. This one. Ano amoy? Ay, nawala na. Tapos na. Go, go. Ay. May pila ba? Saan ang pila? Tan! Bibidyo kita.
Share a smile and keep the Christmas spirit going.
Diyan, pipicturean kita.
Star friend, Ned, the great tree now glows with the true light of Christmas.
Man!
It's warm,
1, 2, 3.
fills the home, reminding us that joy and hope shine. See you on the next adventure.
Okay.
Merry Christmas.
Okay.
Wow! Wow! Wow!
Let's go.
Wow!
Ay, bago yata. Lika dito, lika. O, panoorin natin.
Burst of light opening the Aurora passageway.
Wow!
From its glow, a shooting star appears, carrying the promise to awaken the great Christmas tree of light.
Ay, siya ba?
Ned, our North Star friend, follows its trail into the
Pas pa doon.
evening.
Pas pa doon. Picturean kita.
Hello, friends. I know we're ready to embark on this
1, 2, 3.
magical adventure. What are you waiting for? Let's go and light up that Christmas
Okay.
Aha! The star leads
Pakinggan
us
mo yung
into
story.
Candyland, a place of color, laughter, and delight. Gingerbread lights twinkle, sugar, snowfalls,
Putin mo yung
and
mata mo, oh.
joy
Pati
fill
sa
the
likod
air.
meron ka, no?
Here, we remember the feeling of being
Wow!
beyond the sweets.
Tan, oh. Trick or treat kayo ni Leonard. OMG. Sige. Wala pang 1 o'clock. Let's wait for 1 o'clock. Then we can do trick or treat.
Trick or treat.
Yeah.
Are you pictures?
What?
Trick or
How about you, Leonard? The scariest face. Walk. There. Go straight.
Jollibee.
Jollibee later. Where do you wanna eat? Jollibee or Greenwich?
Jollibee, of course.
You don't like pizza at Greenwich?
Smells refreshing.
Hey! Ay, dirty dyan! Dirty dyan, alis dyan! Sorry. Okay. Okay. O, gaga, alis na tan. How about you, Leonard? Thank you po.
Let's picture.
Picture, Tan! Picture! Tan! Picture! Turo mo yung ano, parang si Leonard. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Sit! Sit! Ay! 1, 2, 3. Oh, you look at... Oh, you scary face. Scary face. How about your scary face? Oh, you look... Okay, good job. Let's go, let's go. Tan! Tan, Tan! Tan, Tan! Trick or treat! Go, go, go! Say, Tan, say hi! Leonard, say hi! Oh my God, Tan, Tan. Tan, daddy mo, oh! Tan, ay, daddy! Nakakuha na ba silang candy? Wala pa! Pinaikot na! Ando may candy? Oo.